We're chasing after our dogs because this little kid on the scooter took our dogs away. God, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Look guys, that's the house that I used to make vlogs in. Not no more. Sorry it's blurry, but yeah. Let's go get our dogs back. Oh, hey, Eugene, come on. Where's Russell?
Wait, he's still chasing. Come here.
Over here. Come here. Hey.
It says a lot of papers on there. It says don't enter the house. It has bound up.
Don't go over there, Tamia. Why? They killed somebody there. Sorry guys, you gotta...
They killed somebody.
In this very suspicious house that you really can't see. Yeah, my camera's barely. Well, bye, Gladiator. See you next time. Bye.
That's your phone?
This was a great time to spend a vlog from all the way over there to all the way here. Chasing them.
Come here.
Okay, we're gonna play a song for you. See you guys later.